So my name's Karen and I help out with the fabric and textile team. So mending zips, mending anything made of fabric. I can't remember all the different things that we've done over time, but lots of zips out of coats and bags. I started volunteering at the Repair Cafe right back at the start in 2019, I think it was, just because I was worried that as a society we've become very throwaway, and if it's broken just chuck it out, and to maybe revert back to a time when people mended things and looked after things a bit better. So that was part of the reason. But I've continued to come every month because I've discovered that it's just a lovely community of people, lots of different generations, and I just enjoy it. I have fun with the group, and and to see people's faces when they leave with their mended, loved goods.